Last night, we lost a very dear friend. You know, one of the many people that you don't see, but who is equally responsible for our news coming into your home every night.
His name is Donnie Gilbert. He died last night after a long battle with cancer. Donnie was a fighter, a veteran broadcast engineer, committed to making Local 12 the best station in town. If there was a problem, you wanted Donnie in charge of fixing it. He made television better. We close tonight with Brad telling Donnie's story through the eyes of his friends. This is my friend, Donnie Gilbert.
When you think of Local 12, it's unlikely this is the face you think of. And the name Donnie Gilbert might not mean much to our viewers unless you knew what he did to make sure we got on the air every day, or you worked with him.
I've worked in a bunch of TV stations, 35 years. I've never met a man who was so universally loved in this television station.
Donnie Gilbert began as a broadcast maintenance engineer in 1988 at Local 12, and it's the only job he ever really wanted. But it's never the only job he had.
Donnie was just one of those people that went over and above what he needed to do. You know, his dedication to everything he ever did that I was involved with, from coming in when he was ill, cleaning satellite dishes, running backhoes. Donnie was more than a broadcast engineer. He was everything to this station.
Everything, because in television, there's so much that goes on here you never see. Donnie could do it all, and all he ever wanted to do was help.
He would do anything for you, and he would always make things right as an engineer. If you had a problem, he was going to fix it, and he was always able to do it with a smile on his face.
Donnie loved life, loved his Harley. He loved to play the drums and did it well, which very few people knew. He loved to ski and snowboard, travel, but only if he could do it all with his lifelong love and best friend, Peggy, his wife of 36 years. He was diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer in January of '08.
He was coming out of the hospital in a wheelchair, and I was very upset. And he looked at me and smiled and said, "It's okay, Tom, we'll beat it."
And he battled cancer like no one I've ever seen battle cancer before. Never negative, never down, always focused on the job at hand.
He was going to beat it.
Never had any doubt, did he? I mean, even until the last day, it was...
He was going to beat it.
He will never be forgotten by the people that have worked with him, and he'll never be forgotten by the next generation of people that work here too.
I emailed Donnie last night, only to learn that as I was sending it, he was moving on. Just checking in to say I still love you, I wrote, praying for you, and am continually inspired by your courage, strength, and attitude. We all need heroes like you. God's blessings are on you. A one-of-a-kind engineer, Don Gilbert. At 56, his work is complete.